Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the OPTP Pro Roller Soft Density Foam Roller, the best blue foam roller you can find for physical therapy, Pilates, yoga, and muscle recovery. The OPTP Pro Roller is made from durable EVA closed-cell foam, which sets it apart from other foam rollers that use open-cell foam. The closed-cell construction not only enhances its durability but also makes it easy to clean, making it perfect for use at home, in the gym, or at a physical therapy clinic. This foam roller is ideal for those who want a gentle, yet effective experience, especially for sensitive muscles. Whether you're using it for self-massage, stretching, or balance exercises, it provides the right amount of softness without compromising on support. Its standard size of 36 inches in length and 6 inches in diameter makes it perfect for a wide range of exercises. You can easily roll it out on your bag, use it for stretching exercises, or even as a tool for deep tissue massage. The soft density is particularly suited for beginners or those recovering from an injury, offering a less intense experience than harder rollers. One of the standout features of this foam roller is its versatility. Whether you're practicing Pilates, yoga, or simply looking to release tension in your muscles after a long day, the OPTP Pro Roller is the go-to option for muscle recovery. The low-density foam helps to release tight spots and promote better mobility without the pain that comes with using firmer foam rollers. Not only does it help with rehabilitation and mobility, but it's also incredibly durable. Unlike many foam rollers that wear out quickly, the Pro Roller is designed to last, giving you great value for your investment. It's the perfect tool for anyone looking to improve flexibility, reduce muscle soreness, or just take care of their body after a workout. Whether you're an athlete, a Pilates enthusiast, or someone looking for a comfortable foam roller for daily use, the OPTP Pro Roller Soft Density Foam Roller is the perfect choice. It's available in a sleek blue design, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. With its long-lasting build and soft density, it's definitely one of the best foam rollers you can buy today. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.